Central Illinois' most accurate forecast with meteorologist Seth Volnoff.
All right, it is the 1st of March, and things definitely feel like winter has returned, as it's just been a very chilly day. The winds have really picked up as well. Definitely a winter-like day. Looking out the State Farm Center tonight, things appear to be kind of calming down a little bit here across the area. So look at that satellite radar picture. Nice clear skies, not too much to worry about in that regard. The skies have been really nice looking here the last several nights. Lots of sunshine, lots of pretty sunsets as well. But the temperatures have fallen quite a bit. 28 in Champaign, 27 up in Pontiac, and then over there in Jacksonville, we're at 31 degrees. Like we said, 24 hours ago, things were feeling really nice. We were still in the 60s across the board, and 25 to 30 degrees later, here we are just kind of freezing at the moment. The winds have really come down since earlier today, though. We had sustained winds up to 20 miles an hour. That has since dropped down to just 5 to 10 miles an hour. So the wind chill maybe starting to take a little bit of a backseat, and that's good news because tonight we're heading down to 17 for a low. But with those winds being nice and calm, your wind chill is going to be right at that 17-degree mark as well. So not really going to have to worry too much about a bitter cold wind chill heading on into our Sunday. But into the day tomorrow, looks like that cold weather is going to kind of be left behind. Not that 42 is warm, but that's a lot closer to average than what we were today. And the winds will continue to relax as well. Let's talk about an interesting start to this first full week of March here as we look ahead. Monday, pretty normal day, just 52, a nice partly sunny day, maybe a little sunshine here and there. It's Tuesday and Wednesday is where the wackiness starts to move in because even though your temperatures increase, you're going to have some chances for showers, maybe some thunderstorms. It's going to be very windy both days as well. And notice this right here. We might have some snow by the time we get on into Wednesday. So sometimes in March we get a little bit of everything, and this system is definitely going to bring us a little bit of everything. Looking at your best chance for precip, it is definitely Tuesday into Tuesday night. Then we're going to get some of the leftover stuff by the time we get on into Wednesday. And we mentioned the chance for some storms. There is going to be a potential for severe weather off to our south as we look kind of down there across Louisiana, Mississippi, even parts of Arkansas and Tennessee. They've got that enhanced risk kind of highlighted down that direction. Here at home, we're officially out of the risk at the moment, but once they do the day 3 update tomorrow, they'll be able to put that marginal risk somewhere, so wouldn't be too surprised if they kind of creep it up here a little bit. We're not in any sort of big danger at all, but there could be a few strong storms that kind of work their way this direction on the north side of that system. Here's a look at your future track, which does drag plenty of moisture up this direction. And yeah, notice some possible snow there on the back side of the system. As we'll see here in just a moment when we get a little bit more of a close-up. Those rain chances looking pretty good. Nice widespread opportunity there, especially late into the day Tuesday. And then, yes, Wednesday on the backside, maybe some snow showers working their way on in. Pretty hard to believe. Also, what's hard to believe is that a week from tonight, we spring forward an hour. We turn those clocks forward once again. That means your sunset magically at 6:54 p.m. once we wake up there on Sunday morning of next week. So hard to believe we're already turning the clocks again. It's also just hard to believe here we are in March, and this forecast, I don't know, Will, maybe the forecast is a little hard to believe. We were at 70 in some places yesterday. It was 30-something today, and there's just all sorts of mayhem there on the board. One would say it's some March madness here with the weather.
It is madness.
It is.
And I got to say, Seth, you still got it. Welcome back.
I'm surprised I'm not stuttering more than I am. You know, 6 weeks off, you kind of forget what you're doing sometimes. But I'd say so far so good. Maybe I just jinxed myself for later tonight, though.
No, you'll do fine. Appreciate it. Well, more local news coming up. Stay